Friends, today we are making Rabdi Carrot Halwa or Rabdi Gajar Halwa, or you can call it Burfi as well. It is really delicious. Check it out. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today we are making Gajar Halwa or Rabdi Carrot Halwa. So for that I have took about 1.5 or 1 kg of carrots, washed it, and either you can grate it or you can use a food processor just like me to make things easy and grind them. Food processor grinds it really well and saves your time actually. So there it goes. I have grinded everything into fine pieces, small and fine pieces. It looks like that. Okay, so in the meantime we have to make our rabdi. So I'm taking whole milk, about half a liter, and put it in a container and put it on a low flame. Okay, now heat up the pan, add all the grated carrot with 2 teaspoons of ghee, clarified butter, unsalted, and let it roast, let it cook in on low medium flame and stir it continuously so that it doesn't get stick or burnt. Keep the flame low. The ghee that you have added will make the carrot halwa really moist. So in the meantime, in time to time we will check on our rabdi, put it on low flame. Okay, so for a delicious carrot halwa with a twist, which is the rabdi, make sure that you stir the milk time to time, and the malai that sticks to the vessel, scrape it gently and mix it in the milk. So the rabdi will become really thick and it will take the gajar halwa, carrot halwa to a very next level. Try this friends, this is really a very different type. Okay, now that I have roasted carrots for about 5 to 7 minutes, now is the time to add sugar or jaggery. I have added 1 cup of sugar and then mix it well. So the key here is we'll have to continuously stir it. See, it's becoming soft. After another 5 minutes, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and then mix it well. You will have to be near the gas for this recipe, but I assure you the result will be really awesome. Okay, now take about 6 to 7 elaichi, cardamom pods. I would recommend take the fresh one and grind them and then add it to the carrot halwa and then mix it really well. The freshly grinded cardamom will give a very different fresh flavor. Okay, after another 4 minutes, now is the time to add our dry fruits. So I have added another teaspoon of ghee, and you can add almond, cashew, pistachio, everything, and give about a minute or 2 to gently roast it. Make sure the flame is still on medium-low. So mix it really well. And that's it. Now let's check on our rabdi. Yeah, continuously give it a stir it continuously and scrape gently from the sides and mix it in the milk. Now is the time to add the rabdi to the gajar halwa. See, it is thick. That malai will add the magic to the carrot halwa. Wow. Mix it gently, mix it really well, and cook for another 5 minutes. Now is the time to check if you need to add some more sugar or if the sweetness is good for you. Friends, trust me, if you will try this, you will never make carrot halwa in any other way. And that's it, it's ready to serve. Either you can serve it into a bowl or put it on a plate and cut it like burfi shape. Either way is good. Eat it hot and it is really delicious. Yeah, this is the burfi shape. Let me know in the comment section if you like my recipe. Bye bye.